Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have our 03 V70 Volvo in the shop, and as simple as changing the dipstick. We carry this at 1A Auto, so it's an OE style. It even is red, has the engine. It's even has the X's. I think it came from the manufacturer, and you can get this at 1A Auto, like I said. So it's simply just pull out the old oil dipstick. Let's measure it, make sure it's the same length. It is. It's just not old and stained. So it even has the notches in the same spot. Simply drop it down in. You're ready to go. So you might say, why would I need to change my stick? It's not broken or anything. Well, there's a couple reasons why. One, it's not expensive at all. Two, the old one gets stained and it's hard to read the oil level on that. But more importantly, these O-rings get crushed over time. And the old one goes right in and you'll see that there's nothing to it. So that can have oil blow by, moisture can end up getting inside. We don't want that. So for the small price of a new stick, the new O-rings, look at that. I have to push it down in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.